they picked it up and impounded it.
You know what? The passenger shot at me twice and then just sat there as I was shooting, not even shooting back.
It was a pussy, straight up.
I gotta watch my P's and Q's right now.
Oh, you gotta go, 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 dude. I think they know it's me, boo. I think they know it's me.
How's that?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe some
Meta?
magic.
Meta?
Yeah, maybe some magic. I don't know.
Where am I taking this? This thing ain't fast, bro.
I don't know. Well, I never good. I'm kind of fucked. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go swimming, I guess.
Okay.
Don't get mad when I do that shit, bro.
I mean, I don't know. I'm a prisoner on the run, you know?
Alright.
It's gonna be even worse.
Yeah, I just gotta call in another favor.
You're almost away.
Oh, they're gonna pit us.
Why are they gonna pit us? They can't.
You're gonna have to kill him, then.
The other one's not far behind.
I got 2 mags, bro.
But you can get me up to my house and try and start shooting, and I'll go grab an AK or a pump.
Alright, mark it, mark it.
And go left on the next one, not this one, not this one. Keep on straight, keep on straight. Yeah, left.
Left right up here.
Yeah, left.
What the fuck is this shit?
I know.
I saw the chains and they fucking tried to pull us over, I guarantee it.
And the only other thing I can think of right now is have a huge fight. Go left here, go left. Oh, keep going straight there, keep going straight, keep going straight.
I got this. Keep driving.
Come on.
Isn't this it?
Next one, yeah.
The little van that could. Fuck it, get out. Oh, they hit each other, run! Oh no.
The next house, the next